What is up, everybody? I'm at camp, got it all situated, been chilling for a while now. I am out here to rest and relax. Let me tell you, these past couple nights when I would go to sleep, I had some crazy dreams and they would just wake me up and I couldn't fall back asleep, and it was just kind of restless nights. So with how the weather is around my area and higher up in elevation, because I do want to get in higher up in elevation. Last week I went off-roading in the trees, and it just, it makes me want to be in the trees so bad. I can't wait for it. But the weather just isn't there yet with, you know, pretty much the setup I have. So I decided to come out here. So let me go ahead and show you guys camp. Found a pretty cool spot. 360 views everywhere, man. I have freaking, you can see Roosevelt Lake, part of it right over there. And then if you come over here and look, there's 4 Peaks right there. There's actually a little bit of snow on top of 4 Peaks. And then on this side, I just have this beautiful mountain range. So something I did, or something I wanted to do, have been doing, every time I look at areas I'm gonna go to, there's this one trail I've had my eye on for some time now, and it dead ends. And I figured, you know what, with how things are this week and how I was like, this is the perfect time to venture off and take this trail and see where it dead ends, because it is actually a dead end. And you can see I'm camped right here, and the road I took, or the trail, it's right over here, not that far. And you can see this actual firing. This is what caught my eye when I was doing the trail, and I was like, you know what? If there is no campsite at the end of the trail, I'll make it back over here and I'll make this my camping spot. And there wasn't. The trail goes, you know, off in that direction and ends up somewhere over there. Usually at the end of trails, there's usually a pretty cool camp spot. Not this time. So that's why I ended up here. Now I'm just gonna chill, relax, enjoy the peace and quiet. The planes that pass by every now and then. Oh man, I just saw something. Look at this sucker. If anyone knows what animal this could be or is, here are the teeth. Let me know, because in all honesty, I have no clue, and I'm not even gonna take a guess. What, maybe a deer? Coyote? Who knows? Alright, here are my tacos. I'll probably make some more. So the wind kicked in. I ended up checking the weather. So it's supposed to be windy from here on out until sunset. And then at sunset, it's supposed to die down. So I will hopefully still be able to have a campfire. But I did check the weather tomorrow, and it looks like around 8 to 9 a.m. the wind is just going to pick back up like it is right now. And it's actually supposed to get windier, which kind of sucks because I was hoping to hang out here more. So we will see how this trip goes. For now, I'm going to enjoy my food. One of the reasons I decided to make tacos on this trip is because of my last couple trips. I've picked easy stuff, and I'm always glad I did, like quick and easy things to make because of just like how the trip would pan out. And I wasn't planning on making this, but I was like, you know what, my past couple trips, it's worked out, so let me just, do the same thing and make something easy. I'm glad I did, man, because the second I started cooking, boom, the wind kicked in. Making a mess. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my food. Hopefully the wind will die down sooner than later, and I'll check back in later. All right, there's just a little bit of light out there. I am going to enjoy the fire. I made some tea, and I'm gonna enjoy my evening because the second I was done cleaning everything up and eating, the wind had all but died down. So it's beautiful right now. So I will catch you guys at some point in the morning. Ooh, all right, I got camp all packed up, put away, situated. I had no issues with putting my tent or pop-up away. I was scared with the wind, but no problems. Can I tell you, I was not expecting, nor did the weather say, it was going to immediately just be windy and really windy right at sunrise. I was expecting it to start actually picking up right about now, which is, let's see. Yeah, it's 8:30. So I was expecting it to pick up right about now because that's what the weather said and go up from there. And this was about the time that I was gonna, gauge to see how long I could last. Obviously, that did not work. So I got everything packed up, situated, and I'm getting out of here. Kind of sucks because I was hoping to spend a good portion of today camping. Oh well, weather, wind, so be it. So this is where I'm going to leave you guys. I appreciate you. Remember, it's only possible until it no longer is. And hopefully I'll see you next time. All right, take care, guys.